Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Okay, today what we're going to do is we're going to do a simple file counter. So first of all we create a subroutine here in Perl, and this is called file counter. Okay, this is just a simple project you can do, and it's very simple, and it teaches you quite a few skills. So first of all we're doing the subroutine, and we call the subroutine file counter. Now we create the print command here because we want to print out some information to the user. So we tell the user to enter a path. Okay, so user has to enter a file path here, and then what we do chomp the new line, and we create a variable called scalar path, and we assign that to stdin, which is standard input in Perl. So that will get the user input that they type in, and then what we do is we do chdr change directory into this path that we've just typed in here. So we'll change into that path. And now we create an array called files, assign it to glob, and then we simply type in the scalar path here and an asterisk. Okay, so what we do then, we do another print command, and then we use scalar here. This is how we're going to get the size and ultimately the number of files in that particular path, and then we feed it the array at files because the files will be in this array here. And then all we have to do is we simply call the program. So the program is called file counter. And let's have a look. What am I going to do? I've already got a folder open here, which is going to be this one. I've got 3 files in there. I want to know what that's going to be called. That's C folder there. Okay, so let's run it. Let's make that a little bit bigger so we can see it. So it's going to be C users mark desktop, and the folder is C, so we should change into that. Okay, so it's told us in there that we have 3 files. So there you go. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that, and remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit the subscription button below. Bye bye.